Hi friend, welcome to my channel Earning and Learning. As you know, AdCash is going to popular slowly. So today, hopefully, it's going to launch. So today I will discuss you how to add a fund in the AdCash and means buy coins. So yesterday I already tested myself and it was successful, but video was not much good, so that's why I didn't upload it. And trying again, you can see there is my ad cash balance is showing 1100. That means 1000 I buy yesterday. I am going to show you how do you see. First you have to log into your account, and there is showing dashboard, letterhead, my team, everything. So what you can do, just go to there, my wallet. You are in my wallet. Then you have to, first I want to show you purchase yesterday which I bought. See, I yesterday I tried. It was taken around 2 hours because I use my Unocoin account. But if you try from a blockchain or Coinbase, so I don't think it will take time. Within half an hour should show there. So don't worry, because yesterday I worried, okay, because not coming money here. But after 1 hour it was reflected there. So now I'm going to my wallet. I already bought yesterday $25. So now I'm going to my wallet. Add fund, because actually in my Unocoin don't have sufficient amount, because it should be buy $25, but I don't have it. So I'm going to buy $20. So I'm going to buy $20. First I have to add funds. So I'm going to add funds. So 1 second. I'm yes. So what you have to do, I'm going to add funds. I'm clicking on add funds. So pay now. I'm going to pay now. So actually I'm buying means fund through BTC, because I have a BTC. So I will buy. So that is a code where I need to transfer. That is a AdCash coin. So first I'm going to note down here. Just you also note down, because sometime if something goes wrong, so you can raise ticket in customer support in ADS Cash. So first I'm going to, 1 second. Okay, I'm just sorry. Okay, I'm going to, something is problem, 1 second. Okay, I'm going to again copy this, Control C, and I will paste here. Okay, I'm again going to copy this code, Control C. I copied, and I'm going to Unocoin account. I'm going to send. So I'm going to click button send. See, my value is 0.01966 something. So because Unocoin or whatever Coinbase, everyone taking some transaction charges. So what I have to do, I'm going to put my address here, Bitcoin address, ADS Cash, and exact amount which is showing there, you have to paste there. No need to change anything. Control C and Control V. So it is 1490, because I'm transferring from, so it's showing a conversion also, how much I'm going to transfer. So now what you can do, just mention here whatever you want to. I'm going to mention Unocoin to BTC. Okay, now I'm going to send money. Okay, now it's asking OTP, because I made too much secure. Why that I want to show you, because guys, if you are using Coinbase, blockchain, whatever, please secure your means account too much, because it's like a bank account money. So for my, so it should be more secure. So I'm going to put here 867. Okay, one second, I think it's not a sorry. 06768, and I'm going to done. Okay, processing is done. Okay, see, now it's saying approval is pending. So what I'm going to do, see, now I'm going to here and click I have paid. So what you can do, I have paid. So they are saying payment not confirmed, make sure that you have transferred to BTC. So okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, now I'm going to purchase history. See, here is still my $20 not came. Okay, is pending showing. So what I will do, it will take time, at least 1 hour. So what I'm going to do, I am going to stop this video right now here, and I will again continue after 1 hour once this come here. So I'm going to pause. Yes friend, again I'm coming here and checking what is the status now, because I think almost I wait half an hour. So I'm going to refresh this first, and Unocoin, I'm going to Unocoin, check what is the status now. 1 second. Oh, little bit my Google Chrome is not responding. Wait. Okay, now I'm going to refresh this also. So first I'm going to dashboard. Okay, now I'm going to my transaction histories, recent transaction. Oh, payment successful, good. His payment is successful. So now I'm going to add cash. I'm going checking what is the status. Oh, here also see, when I refresh it's showing completed $20. Now what you have to do, just see, cash is came. So second step, we have to buy add cash coin, because payment is now dollar is you means add cash, you have a sufficient one. But what you have to do, you have to go there, purchase add cash, and because you purchase, you have only $20. So what you can do, here you have to and buy add cash. 1 second, how to buy $20? You can put $20. No 20, no, oh, 1 second. There is a like difficulty. You can grab $25. You can buy add cash. 0 bundle. Okay, one bundle, I think 1000 coin. I don't think I can purchase here, but what you have to do is, earlier what I did, just here you have to type, because you have already here sufficient balance. Here go to purchase wallet, your wallet. Suppose what I did, once I my okay, USD purchase history. So what I did earlier, when 1000 cash I received, I went there, but purchase add cash, and here you have to just put one bundle equal to $25, and say buy add cash. Within 2 minutes it will come to, you will buy all the cash. So that is the process to go, means add fund and add ADS cash and buy add coins. So that is the process. I feel that it is very useful for all guys. And one thing I want to tell you, especially Indian guys, that video is very good for Indian guys, especially for if they are using Unocoin, because Unocoin, what is happening now, Unocoin have a customer support, and this customer support, and if anything difficulty comes, you can directly call or mail. So that is a very good things there, because lots of coin, suppose I'm going to their blockchain, and there is no such type of support. So this is sometimes I'm feeling means worried. So especially, but it's okay, because blockchain, Coinbase is also very good sites to transferring BTC. So thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much. Please all over the, I'm especially talking about all over the world, guys. Please, whichever you saw my video, please share to all, guys. And that is good for, so I'm going to soon, I will share lots of video. So that is thing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.